Alrighty guys, and we're going to review this, or we'll unpack and review this 6-inch memory foam Mainstays memory foam mattress. It's got this nice tape all the way around it. Very sticky, sticking to everything. And then in the package, there's this little cutter that's going to help you cut the plastic while not cutting the mattress. Want to make sure you get that out so we can do this without cutting the mattress. Alright, so I guess first off is to get the rest of that tape off there, right? Get that kind of, there we go, kind of unfastened. And then I'm gonna try to, we're just gonna unroll that plastic. Okay, my bad. Just keep unrolling it. All right, this is starting to be a pain, right? I know, it's so... Maybe I should have done this on the ground. Almost there, right? Almost. All right. Whew. Finally got that plastic off. Now, we can somewhat unroll the rest of it. It's not going to unroll very well, because it's vacuum sealed, which is what you want, because that's going to make it take up way less space. That's how they ship it in such a small box. But we need to get that plastic off there too, right? Okay. Ooh, you can hear it sucking in the air. Alright, so we'll just get that plastic off of here. Oh, look at it. It's starting to unroll on its own because it's starting to get air. Nice. It's going to do half the work for me while I'm still messing with the plastic. And it's half the work right there. Alright, now we got that undone. Oh no. Okay, that needs to turn. And this is a full-size mattress. Daughter had a single. Now she's getting a full. So let's get that tool back out again. I thought I had it the right way. Alright. Come on, cut. It doesn't want to cut anymore. So that cutter had very limited use because it doesn't want to cut anymore. Alright, try to get the rest of that plastic off here, right? Whew. I don't want to climb up there. I don't. Alright. Yep, get all the plastic out from underneath. Got all the plastic out from the top. Now we'll just move this up a little bit more so she fits up there. Oh, it's just the corner over there that's off. Okay. All right, mattress is out. Now it'll probably take, I don't know, 3-4 hours for it to plump up to 100%. It might be done. I don't know. Anyway, We're gonna leave it sit for a while. We'll come back and check on it. Alrighty, now that the mattress is fully uncompressed, we can see, I mean, when it was still compressed, it was down below here. Oopsie, kind of down below in here somewhere. Now it is way up above that. So, yeah, when she uncompresses, she uncompresses a lot. So that's a nice thick and comfortable mattress. The daughter absolutely loves it and can't be more happy than that.